The psychology of self-defense confidence. Feeling vulnerable and uncertain about your safety? This video explores the psychology of self-defense confidence and provides practical techniques to build mental strength and empowerment, so you can walk with greater confidence. When faced with danger, your body activates the fight or flight response. Adrenaline floods your system, impacting your thinking and physical abilities. Recognizing and managing this fear is crucial to staying calm and focused in a self-defense situation. Mental preparedness is key to self-defense confidence. Visualize potential scenarios and practice your responses. Positive self-talk and believing in your ability to handle a threat can significantly improve your reaction time and decision making. Your body language speaks volumes. Assertive posture, direct eye contact, and clear communication can deter potential attackers. Practicing these techniques not only projects confidence but also builds your self-perception. Learning basic self-defense techniques is a great start. Enhance your situational awareness by recognizing potential threats. Consider joining self-defense classes or workshops to further develop your skills and boost your confidence. Self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. Cultivate a positive self-image and believe in your capabilities. Remember, many have overcome fear and successfully defended themselves, and so can you.